Hello everyone, so in this video I'll go ahead and show you how to add in customers, how to deactivate them, and how to also delete them out of the system. So to add a customer, you can do it in various ways. Probably the most popular one is automatically having a customer added in when you are making a booking. So basically how that works is when you want to make a booking and a customer, let's just calls you, you can go ahead and make a quick booking, and I'll go ahead and include links how to do that as well. I'll just make a quick one here. So as you can see, we'll put something random here. And since you're already putting in some information here, they will go ahead and have an account created based on this information. Okay, so here now I quickly made a booking, and I'll go ahead and save it now. Okay, give it a moment. And while making one, a account is actually being created for that customer. So now if you have your notifications activated, here under our account, we already have a customer made. Okay, and now they are getting a receipt email if you have all of those activated, and I'll go ahead and include links under this video so you could go ahead and see how all that other stuff works, how you could activate your notifications and all that good stuff, how to make bookings and everything along those lines. So check those out after this. So now they got a receipt email since we created a booking. They have an account made with us. All they have to do is click on the link that we sent to them via email or SMS if you have that activated, and they have to set up their passwords, and now they could go ahead and log into this account and view that booking we just made, edit it, cancel it, view more, and all that good stuff. So now, as I'm the customer, I could also go ahead, well, before we go there, you could also add a new customer from here. So once you click on this, you could fill out their information and send them an invite by email or SMS, and a profile will be made for them, and then a notification will be sent to them to create their password to log in. And although they will not have any bookings because we didn't make one, they will have an account, and they could go ahead and make their own first booking and all that good stuff. And then the last way is if they go ahead and go on the booking form on your website and set one up themselves. So if they either sign up through the login page, they could go ahead and create their own account, or they could go ahead and make a booking, and when they're making a booking, they'll go ahead and after they complete it, they'll be redirected inside that dashboard inside their account, where they could set up their new password and then later come back and log in, and all that good stuff. Okay, so those are the couple ways that they could go ahead and get an account. And now to deactivate an account, there's a couple things you could do. So you could go ahead and block a customer from booking, which will keep their account, keep their appointments, but they will not be able to book new ones. And inside they'll be asked to contact the merchant. You could go ahead and deactivate their account from here, which will prevent them from accessing their accounts. Okay, so we could go ahead and then here you could exclude a notification from being sent if you have one enabled. That will, otherwise it will let them know that you deactivated their account. So if we click that and we disable it, an account will be deactivated here, and from here you could still view the account and all their details, but you could also reactivate it, or you could go ahead and delete it. Okay, and they will not be able to access this account ever again if it's deleted. So everything associated with this account will be deleted. So be careful when you do that. Any bookings under the system logs, they will not be deleted, but this customer's name, for example, would be wiped out. So wherever it says new booking created by that customer, if they did it specifically, it will be deleted and it will be blank. So all that data will be gone. So you do not want to most likely do that unless you have to. And if deactivating works for you, then you should just probably go ahead and use the deactivated button and not delete the customer out of here, okay? And to reactivate them, it will work the same way. You could also exclude a notification, otherwise customer will see that their account was reactivated and that they could finally log back in. Okay, and the last way of doing this is as the customer. So if you're a customer and they're logged in, so I'll quickly log in as a user so we can see what they can see. If I want to deactivate my account, I would go under your info, which is theirs, and I would go ahead and click deactivate here. So I no longer need your services. They'll ask to have their account deactivated, and now you as the admin will get a notification, and you could go ahead and review what's going on. So here we got a notification, account deactivation request sent by this person, and if you click on it or go directly to deactivation requests, you can go ahead and deactivate it. So you could approve it or you could deny it, and the whole process will be the same as we discussed earlier. Okay, so that is how you can go ahead and add, deactivate, or delete customers.